If you've been browsing Alliance RV's website lately, you might have noticed something intriguing in their 2026 benchmark destination trailer lineup. A new model that's sort of hidden behind Alliance's curtain. It's called the 44RKL, and even though Alliance hasn't fully revealed it yet, that's not stopping us from talking about what could easily be one of the most exciting destination trailers this year. The 44RKL is part of the Benchmark family, which first hit the market for 2025 and immediately made waves with its impressive design and features. Now in 2026, it makes sense that Alliance would evolve the lineup based on feedback and improvements. And the 44RKL looks like it could be one of the standout highlights. From the exterior, it probably won't stray too far from the look and build quality of the rest of the 2026 Benchmark series. One model, the 44LFT, even shares a product code with the 44RKL, so it's fair to expect some similarities. Being a destination trailer, the 44RKL is designed more like a set-it-and-enjoy-it-home on wheels than a typical travel trailer. These rigs are known for spacious shells, big windows, and loft-style interior spaces. Basically, all the comforts of home in a premium RV package. A destination trailer like this usually features lots of natural light, multiple levels, and huge window walls that make you feel connected to the outdoors. And once you set it up, a lot of owners build patios and outdoor living areas with speakers, LED lighting, and even outdoor entertainment or grilling setups, perfect for long stays at your favorite spots. Inside, the 44RKL really starts to feel like a real home. Up front, there's a large bedroom with a slide-out and a tilting king bed. You get plenty of storage with overhead cabinets and a big dresser, and there's space for a TV, washer, and dryer too. One detail that's really cool is the separate bedroom entry and the huge front window. Ideal if you love waking up to the view without even getting out of bed. You can even fall asleep to the glow of a fireplace. Just past the bedroom, you'll find a stairway leading up to a split loft area, followed by a 3-piece bathroom that looks surprisingly roomy and comfortable for a trailer. But the heart of this unit, at least for me, is the back half of the trailer. That space is dedicated to living and entertaining, with an L-shaped sofa and dining table facing an enormous fireplace and entertainment center. And the kitchen? It feels straight out of a house. Solid surface countertops, soft close drawers, a full-size fridge, oven, microwave, pantry, and more cabinets than you know what to do with. Recessed LED lighting and big windows help light everything up, and in the morning, you can just roll up the blinds and let the sunshine in. In terms of sleeping space, the king bed comfortably sleeps 2, though you could fit up to 3 in a pinch. The living room seating converts for a couple more, and the loft area above has room for about 5 guests, though 2 of those spots are better suited for kids or teens. Each sleeping area also gets its own dresser space, plus there's a large communal dresser up front. For features we haven't seen yet, we can look at the 44LFT spec sheet for hints. That model comes with hardwood flooring, hardwood cabinetry, a powerful furnace, light dimmers, and premium construction materials like Azdel composite fiberglass sidewalls and a more ride suspension. So it's a safe bet the 44RKL will be built just as well. That said, it might not be perfect for everyone. For example, the RKL doesn't include a second bathroom, like the LFT does, so make sure you compare the models before deciding. And of course, pricing hasn't been officially released yet, but other 2026 benchmarks have been listed as high as around $127,000, so these are definitely premium rigs. I can't wait until Alliance finally drops full specs, interior photos, and prices for the 44RKL. Until then, it's one of the most intriguing trailers of 2026. Let me know what you think about it in the comments.